Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Excel printer error, current printer is unavailable, easy fix. Open Registry with administrative privileges. Click and expand H key, current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand current version. Change Windows folder permission. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.